Hello teacher, my name is Isaacson. This is my project, the travel agents. Okay, choose a 22 years old woman, and she's work is on the French agents. And will she travel? She like to relax and live new experience. That I invite her to Mexico and send her a presentation of three very nice places to visit. What are the Yucatan pyramids? Because the pyramids in Mexico are well beautiful, and the love there the culture because it preserves the pre-Hispanic culture of Mexico, and also its typical food is cochinita pibil. Another will be Tequila Road because in the Tequila Road the land is very fertile and the questions are very representative in Mexico because in addition to having tequila as the country flagship drink in as the charreria, which is a national and representative private of Mexico. And lastly, one of the commemorative dishes from the Jalisco state in the delicious drowning cake. Finally, the Mayan Rivera, but known in the personality and things who you will likes to go to the Mayan Rivera since the water is very good. Also, it is and coast where the beach is and crystal clear, food is delicious, and hope to go on with it. Uh, well, teacher, this is my project, and it's on the front me. Thank you.